The Greater Lovell Land Trust is building on conservation that began in 2022 by adding 1,411 acres to its initial 1,315-acre purchase along the Keezer River. The Keezer River South property is GLLT's largest project to date and will conserve an additional 4 miles of undeveloped river frontage in Lovell and Sweden, bringing the total to nearly 7 miles. The project will create a nearly 3,300-acre swath of contiguous conserved forest, hilltop, wetland, and rich riparian habitats. It will secure perpetual public access to multi-use trails, fishing spots, and traditional hunting grounds, and provide a bounty of recreational opportunities. A land of delight and discovery. This beautiful property, teeming with diverse life, is a crucial community asset and a key piece of our mission to build a resilient landscape in our changing climate. Your generous financial support will help us preserve this special place.